Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and at Softtrix we specialize in delivering data-driven high-performance digital marketing solutions, and today we are back with another case study. Our client is a USA-based e-commerce business specializing in premium fitness supplements, proteins and weight gainers, and he was facing challenges with the low ROAS despite spending significant amounts on Google Ads. They had been working with another agency, but their campaigns were not performing well due to issues like merchant center disapprovals, poor conversion tracking and suboptimal campaign management. After seeing one of our YouTube videos that discussed common Google Ads issues and the solutions, they reached out to us for help. So now in terms of the challenges we have faced, the client main challenges included a low ROAS caused by inefficient campaign that were not aligned with the Google AdWords best practices. The Google Merchant Center had several product disapprovals due to missing or inaccurate information. Additionally, the conversion tracking on their website was not properly set up, which made it difficult to optimize the campaigns effectively. Furthermore, the campaigns were not segmented and there was a lack of testing for various campaign types, leading to the poor results. Our approach: Merchant Center optimization. First, we have reviewed the Google Merchant Center account and have identified the issues causing the product disapproval, such as the incorrect product data, missing information and incomplete product listings. We have worked with the client to update the product feed, ensuring that the product title, description, images and the pricing were all in compliance with the Google standard. We also added the necessary details like the GTNs, global trade item numbers, and ensured that the shipping information was accurate. As a result, all previously disapproved products were approved for the ads, allowing us to run the campaign smoothly. Fixing conversion tracking. The client's website, built on Shopify, lacked proper conversion tracking, which made it difficult to measure the effectiveness of the campaigns. We began by implementing the Google Tag Manager to manage the tracking scripts efficiently. Through GTM, we have added the necessary tags for conversion tracking, ensuring that all the relevant user actions such as the purchases and the add to cart actions were accurately recorded. The key step here was setting up the conversion goals in the Google AdWords. By creating specific goal like purchases or the add to cart, we could track the exact action that led to sales, which is crucial for the optimization. This allowed the client to see the detailed insights into the customer journey and identify which campaigns and the keyword were driving the most valuable traffic. As the client's website was built on Shopify, we have developed a custom script and the tool that actually simplified the process of implementing an automated purchase tracking code. The code directly sent the transaction data to the Google AdWords, ensuring seamless tracking for the purchases. We have integrated this tool with the client's Shopify store, and you can easily find the link to it in the footer area of our website. Additionally, we have created a detailed YouTube tutorial that guides users through the process of setting up the purchase conversion tag. The link to the tutorial can be found in the description, making it simple for anyone to implement the purchase tracking script and set up the website purchase conversion goal effortlessly. Campaign structure and the testing. With the Merchant Center and the conversion tracking issues resolved, we have focused on optimizing the Google AdWords campaign. We have tested different campaign types, including the standard shopping ads and the PMS campaign, both with and without the asset, to see which performed better. This testing allowed us to understand which ad types resonated with their audiences and generated the highest conversions. So after analyzing the performance of each product category, we have created separate campaign for high performing products. By isolating these products, we could allocate a larger budget to the best performing items, leading to more sales. For the lower performing product, we kept them in a separate campaign, giving them visibility while maintaining the focus on the top sellers. This segmentation allowed us to fine tune our budget allocation and to improve the overall efficiency. And the next is a remarketing strategy. To actually recover the sales from the potential customers who had visited the website but did not complete a purchase, we set up a remarketing campaign. We have created a highly engaging banner ads and the video ads to target users who had previously interacted with the website. The remarketing strategy was key in bringing back users who showed initial interest in the products but had not completed their purchase. And this contributed significantly to improving the conversion rates. Ongoing optimization. Over the course of 2 to 3 months, we have continuously monitored and optimized the campaigns. Regular bid adjustments were made to the ad creatives and targeting to ensure the best possible results. The client received weekly and monthly report that provided the insights into where their ad spend was being allocated and what was working. These reports tracked the performance metric like the ROAS, cost per conversion, and sales, giving the clear picture of how every dollar was spent. So now in terms of the result, so after implementing these optimization, the client achieved $120,000 in terms of monthly sale within just a couple of months, and campaigns generated around 8 ROAS, a substantial increase over the previous effort. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your account and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But if you do not have any PPC campaigns running, then you can just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can share with you the plan of action on what we can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.